Welcome to the SIEM GEN5 1U video series. In this video, we will cover how to remove and reinstall a replacement hard drive. A hard drive is considered to be a CRU, a customer replaceable unit for the SIEM GEN5 1U appliance. In order to replace the hard drive on the appliance, we will press upon the green latch that will swing out, and then we will pull on it. Notate the orientation of the hard drive. We will remove it from its carrier, removing these 4 screws. Now the hard drive can be removed from the carrier. After locating our replacement hard drive, we will remove it from its anti-static packaging, align it up in the carrier, and ensure that the 4 screw holes, original screw holes, properly line up. 1, 2, 3, and 4, so that the drive can be secured to the tray carrier. This is the last of the 4 screws to install. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ensure that your connection points are on the rear side of the drive. We will reinstall the hard drive into the appliance, slide it towards the rear of the chassis. Press in the latch till you hear it click. And that's how to replace a hard drive in a SIEM GEN5 1U appliance.